What's that going across the floor? Is it a flying saucer? Is it an electronic pet? No, it's Roomba, the first intelligent sweeper vacuum that cleans floors completely by itself. This revolutionary new intelligent floor vac saves you the time and trouble of pushing a vacuum across floors for hours. If you hate housework, then you're not alone. Pushing a vacuum around your house can be sheer drudgery. It's exhausting, and now it's a waste of time. Roomba will change that chore forever. You just turn Roomba on and walk away. Roomba sweeps and vacuums any floor in the house. It gets under beds, furniture, and cabinets like no other vacuum you've ever seen. And if it can't get under it, it cleans around it. Roomba was developed using intelligent navigation technology designed for robots, minesweepers, and even the space program. Now they've applied this revolutionary science to a sweeper vacuum that will make your life easier and give you more free time. All you do is turn Roomba on and get on with your life. Roomba vacuums any size room in the house. Just push the setting for a large, medium, or small size room. Roomba picks up all common dust, dirt, pet hair, and soils with 2 types of high-intensity cleaning actions. Roomba's unique 2-stage cleaning mechanism uses asymmetric counter-rotating brushes to pick up all of the large and medium-sized debris, and then sucks up small debris with the linear nozzle connected to Roomba's microvac. This 2-stage process allows the very small Roomba to clean like a vacuum many times its size. When it's done, empty the removable waste bin and Roomba's ready to sweep up again. Roomba is perfect for seniors who can't push heavy vacuums, singles who never have time to clean, pet owners, and busy moms and dads with better things to do than vacuum the floor. All you do is turn it on and get on with your life. Roomba has a built-in microprocessor brain and a network of sensors developed using intelligent navigation technology. The brain and sensors allow it to move along walls, go under or around furniture, and vacuum the entire surface area of the room, all by itself. It automatically adjusts its brushes to any type of floor: linoleum, tile, hardwood, and carpets. Roomba gets under beds, couches, tables, and chairs like you never could before. Roomba is as strong as it is smart. A rechargeable power-enhanced battery generates about 3 rooms worth of maximum vacuum lifting action. There are 3 settings for small, medium, or large-sized rooms. These activate the intelligent navigation technology that guides Roomba. The programming built into the microprocessing brain then directs the unit so that it covers the surface area of the floor even though walls, furniture, and other obstructions may redirect it along the way. Roomba's network of sensors let it know when it's touched a wall and then guide it along the wall. A special side brush churns to get those hard-to-reach soils and dirt deep in the corners. Other vacuums simply do not get this close. Only iRobot could bring you such an amazing intelligent sweeper vacuum that will change the chore of vacuuming forever. Roomba!